Dude, I want that get up right there, that jump like this.
I can't see anything. Turn the flashlight on.
Stop.
Back.
Right one up.
Yeah. Keep it on. Back.
Yeah, it has a big button on the front to keep it on. I charged it before I left.
Oh, this one right here.
Oh, snap.
It's not lighting up. Wait a minute. Oh.
Screw, I can't see anything.
You got BB there.
You're not even shooting.
Just offered it to me.
I forgot I had a high cap. I wasn't gonna let you guys.
Hey, your gun not shooting at all.
Oh, dude, you gotta be shitting.
Oh, that's the battery. That's the battery. That's all that is.
Yeah, the battery's dead.
Oh, crap. Well, I'm screwed for
Right
today.
here, dude.
Oh, we don't have much time.
No, what about the battery in your AK?
Oh, yeah,
Hey, who needs magazines?
Oh, is it mini or?
That's a lot.
I got a high cap
It
right.
doesn't matter. You can just tape it down. If you just want to play, you just tape it down.
Yeah.
It's a high cap, dude.
I need a pistol.
Andre, he's not gonna come up this way. I'm not gonna, don't follow me. Cameraman coming through. Cameraman coming through. Cameraman coming through. Cameraman coming through. Go show me wherever you are. Alright, I'm gonna follow you for a minute. Oh shit!
I didn't even get hit. I'm peaceful.
Oh,
I didn't get hit. Oh.
pistol somewhere on him.
I have a pistol.
Concealed weapon. Alright. Where are you guys sitting at? Oh shit! There's Andre.
Wait a minute, is my gun on safety?
No, this has. Okay, this. That's safe.
Yeah,
Okay, now stop. It's on safe. Pull this little lever down.
This?
No, lever. You just did. It's this lever right here. Yeah, that.
It's not going
It goes up or down. Look, Andre.
It's down.
Okay, but it goes up or down. Down is. Ah, shit! Fuck, Andre, I don't have goggles on. It is your fault, and you don't cock it when it's already Oh my god. Josh, where are you?
Right here.
Okay, and then there's Josh, and he's using his pistol.
Wait, yeah, but is Andre knows that.
Fucking Andre's dumbass with his safety switch and him shooting me without goggles.
Hey, your goggles are on.
Alright, Will, are you ready?
Yeah.
Josh, you ready?
Yeah.
Andre, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Go.
Oh, shit. If you see the light, don't shoot the cameraman. If you see the light, don't shoot the cameraman. If you see the light. Okay, I'll stop singing. Is he still back here? Oh, he left. Huh. Oh, shit. Fuck. Cameraman. There's no one back there. Cameraman coming through. Cameraman coming through. This is a cameraman. Oh, there's no one over here. What the fuck? Where the fuck is everybody? Cameraman coming through. Cameraman. Cameraman. And there's people shooting.
Where you at, pussy?
What the heck? He gave me like a half-loaded gun.
Why, did you die?
No, I ran out of bullets, so I just said screw it.
Let me see. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Give me the camera. Hold it up. Yeah, it's empty.
It's empty
It didn't
already.
fire anything off.
It shot like 6 shots. Whoa, did I hit you at all?
No, nothing came through it. The BBs were stuck in the little loading hole at the bottom of it. Oh.
No joke. I shot like 50 shots, like 6.
Nothing came off. Nothing came out. It's a full mag. Look at it. Take them out and look at the BBs.
Alright, hold on. Alright, let me just run away real quick. Don't shoot me.
Nah.
My freaking glasses are fucking.
Well, I have to ask. Is Andre out now?
Yeah? Can I zoom in with this camera?
Yeah.
I don't see him.
Will, where are you?
That's me.
Oh, shit, I'm on the elbow!
Yep, go.
Xbox 6!
This is a video of 2 vaginas fighting. The black kid is losing. And Marcus isn't even paying no kind of attention.
Get off!
He's like hurting my arm. I'm trying to like support my own weight in the air. Dear God.
Wilson, get off it, home. Don't you got night vision?
Okay. That works.
Will, don't you got night vision?
Okay, alright, hey.
This is an example of when teammates go rogue.
Will, take advantage of me nicely. Oh, nice!
Do it, sir!
I'll do it.
Oh, no. He knows your dick's too big.
I don't feel anything. Is it in yet?
Oh, that's gay.
Hey, who put their gun on me?
Hey, I thought I had a gun somewhere.
What's up, fat boy?
Oh, wow, you're filming, okay.
Yeah. That's gay, huh? Gay. What do you got to say?
I don't have anything. I think he does, though.
He's flashing the freaking camera.
I'm ready for this.
Oh, gosh.